How to add OneDrive to File Explorer. So if you want to add OneDrive to File Explorer, then what you need to do is first open up your browser and you need to search for OneDrive download. Once you search here, you will have download the OneDrive for PC, Mac, and Android. So you just need to simply click on it, go with download, and start the downloading process. Once it's downloaded, you need to open up your file manager, and here you will have your OneDrive. So you just need to simply click on the OneDrive, and once you click on the OneDrive in the wizard, you need to enter your email and password. You will get an interface to set up the OneDrive. So you just need to simply go with the setup of OneDrive, and you need to sign into your account if you already have an account, or if you don't have an account, you can go with create account and create your OneDrive account. Once you complete the OneDrive setup process, your installation will be finished and your OneDrive will be added to your file explorer. And to check if it's added or not, you can simply go with your documents, any document that you're comfortable with, and just right click on it and you will have the OneDrive options. So that's it. That's how you can add OneDrive to your file explorer. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.